snake! Get the snake! Ah! Fuck me!
James, what's your language?
Sorry. Oh.
Stop. Get your walking home, Rick. See what Elmer did? That's what you should have done. Come play with us, man. Right in your butt, Joker. You saw him run over you. I thought he got it with people yelling out.
Behind your ass. He's right behind you.
I told you they had
Bam.
No, actually, yeah, when they blow up, they don't.
They got him already.
Finally got him?
Yeah. Look at that little guy right there.
One over there.
Yeah. He's shooting.
Who's he finding? It's Tyrell?
Oh.
I got it. It's just Velcro. I was gonna say, run some tape around your Velcro. Yeah. You'll keep it. All right, thanks. I didn't know who hit me. I was like, oh, I'm gonna go. Yeah. I was like, how you going? Did I? And my first race, it hurt so bad. Mine was it hurt. What's the language? My bad. It's hot. Oh, a good dodge.
It's off, Joe.
Well, when you stand on the sidelines, ricochets come at you.
Hey, Joe, you want some too? Is that one just get off?
No.
Okay. What do you do with it?
Right here.
Ghetto, yo.